How to start a refund on eBay Australia app. Welcome! In this guide, we'll walk you through how to start a refund on the eBay Australia app. Whether your item didn't arrive as expected or you simply change your mind, we've got you covered step by step. First, open the eBay Australia app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner. From the menu option, select My eBay. In the My eBay section, tap on Purchases. This will show you a list of all the items you have recently bought. Scroll through your purchases history and locate the item you'd like to return or get a refund for. Tap on the item to view the other details. On the Order Details screen, look for and tap the Return this item button. This will begin the return process. Select a reason for the return. eBay provides several options like item not as described or damaged item. Choose the one that best fits your situation. If you have more details to add, you can type comments or upload photos to support your refund request. This step is optional but helpful. Once you've completed the form, tap Send or Submit. Your request will be sent to the seller for review. You can monitor the progress of your return request in the Returns and Cancellation section found under Purchases. If you run into any issues, don't worry. Just go to the tab menu and select Help and Contact to reach eBay customer service. That's it. You've now learned how to start a refund on the eBay Australia app. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!